Hi guys, it's Bloom here, and I just want to go in with saying that I'm going to be filming a new makeup tutorial today. So, hence the buns, the purple. Yes, we're doing a purple makeup look. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this palette, 35I Icy. Oh no, it's 35I Icy Fantasy. I just got this today, and it's such a pretty packaging. The colors, so cute, so different, unique. Also, I'm going to use the 39S Such a Gem Morphe palette as well, and I'm going to go in with their pretty purples as well. So these are two palettes I'm going to be using, so let's go in. Okay, as you can see, I've done my base, so I'm only going to be focusing on the eyes today. If you guys want a foundation like base routine, just let me know and I'll go ahead and totally give that out. So I'm thinking of doing a more purple lavenderish look. So I'm gonna go in with the 35I, and I'm gonna probably take this color on a fluffy brush and just put that on my brush. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the 39S Such a Gem palette, and I'm gonna go in with Grape Mines, which is right here, and use that same brush. Once again, buff it into the crease. See how this is darker than the other? That's what we want. So now we're gonna go in with another little brush, and we're going to dip into Make It Rain, which is this dark purple. We're gonna put that in the crease. So now I'm going to take this color again and work it more. So now we're gonna do shimmer. We're gonna go in with this color right here. then we're gonna take this one and put it right here. I'm gonna take Mix Plus. Then with the same brush, we're gonna dip into this one right here. And take that Max Plus. We're gonna take a big and clean it. I know this one looks a little bit patchy compared to this, but I have a scar right here, so that's kind of the issue that I run into when I drag my eyeshadow out. So I can't really do much about that. Brush and then smoke out using the same colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and get back into the Such a Gem. Hold up. This color again and just smoke it. I'm a mess. And then I'm gonna go in with an eyeliner. This is the NYX Super Skinny. And I'm gonna do my eyeliner and I'll be right back. Okay, now we're back. So that's kind of how the eyeliner looks. So now we're gonna go on mascara. And then now that we have that on, we're gonna go ahead and take our lashes. So preferably any lashes you want to put. I usually do like the Wispies by Ardell. So that's what I suggest. You go with what you want. So I'll show you how I put on one of them, and I'll put the other one off camera. Okay, so my camera kind of died on that, so you didn't get to see me put my eyelash on. So I'm just gonna show you on this side so you can kind of see. So you just put glue on there and you blow. Now you can apply it with your fingers, which is what I do. I mean, that's how I feel works. Also, you can apply it with tweezers. So whatever you're more comfortable at. I always tell my friends personally, when I started off using eyelashes, I use tweezers to kind of help blend them together, so. kind of just like that. And then, you know, you let the glue dry. Okay, so while this is drying, I'm going to add some little rhinestones. So I'm thinking we have wing, wing. So I think I want to add a flower like underneath. It'd be kind of cute. I have a bunch of like little gemstones that my best friend gave me. She bought me these from Target, and I'm gonna use some of these small ones. They're just cute little flowers, and I think it'd add a great little power flower touch. And it's just subtle enough to be like you put a lot of effort, even though it might not be a load of effort, it's still some effort. Like that. See? We got a little power, power, and it's cute and it's fun. So I'll come back with the finished look.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
So have it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you want to see more. Bye!